Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and welcome back to my vlog. Okay, so today's vlog is very special because kal hai Kitsunla ka birthday. Kitsunla is completing his 8 years and going into 9. Oh, इतना बड़ा हो गया बच्चा. एनीवेज तो आज अभी हम दोनों जा रहे हैं रिलायंस क्योंकि उसको अपने स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स को कुछ देना है, द क्लासमेट्स एंड द टीचर्स, तो उसी की शॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं. कम हियर. Whose birthday is it tomorrow? प्लीज़ किजनला को अपनी प्रेयर्स में रखिए, है ना. गिव हिम लव. एंड चलिए फिर हम जाते अब हम दोनों शॉपिंग के लिए, है ना. तो फिर आप लोगों को भी दिखाएंगे हम लोगों ने क्या लिया. चलिए. ओके गाइस, पहुंच गए घर. टायरिंग. चलो दिखाते हैं आप लोगों को क्या लिया हमने. किजला, show my viewers. Oh my God, this is all for your classmates, huh? चलो हमने लिया ये पे. There is chips. There is 5-star. And oh yes, there is what? Juice. Show me, no? Keep here.
This heavy as hell.
Yeah, real juice,
Oh,
na?
I bought this.
And he bought this. Acha. And there is this for the teachers, na? Almond treat. Okay, अब वो हमारा वो कहाँ गया बीबी, कैरी बैग. Oh my God, अब ये सब ना हमने अलग अलग डालना है. He has like 38 students in his class. So इसमें डालना है हमने.
Now you do it.
So we'll make it, है ना. And you'll help me, okay? Come here. और मेरा help करेगा. What homework you have?
Sons.
Lying. Okay, you finish and come, okay?
Okay.
चलो फिर start करते हैं ना. पैकेट बनाते हैं, पैकेट. Okay, so I'm start packing. I'm starting pack करना ना. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मैं ना छो पैक कर रही हूँ, जैसे हमारे तिब्बतन में छो होता है ना. चलो इसमें जाएगा एक लेस, एक आपका ये लॉलीपॉप, एक 5-star एंड एक. Okay, so each kid get one. ऐसे दिखाती जैसे कि क्या दे रही हूँ मैं. लेकिन ये बनाना इज ऑल्सो अच्छा होगा. ओके चलिए, मैंने सब पैक कर दिया. ये देखिए, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
और हमारा मिस.
Okay, all set for tomorrow, huh, Kitsunla? Come here. Love you.
Love you too.
चलिए फिर मिलते हैं आपसे कल. Eh, Jujong's birthday wish chisa. They have to go to school. Much. Kata the mama. Kitten like brothers wants to wish him. Poka poka. Kidzo pok je pao chichi le dogo de. Kids, happy birthday. Mama baby shoulder. Happy birthday to. Happy birthday. Kisla, how old are you?
8.
How old are you?
8.
हमारा खिचू आज 8 साल का हो गया है. He's completed 8 years. एंड आज खिचन लगा हम लोग सेलिब्रेशन करेंगे, है ना? चलिए फिर मिलते थोड़ी देर में. ओह पापा इज अप. विश तो करो अब.
Happy birthday, American show.
Okay, so Kitsunla is ready to go to school, and this is his OOT day today. Outfit of the day. Oh, come here. What will you do in class today? इधर आओ ना. आज इनको यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहनना पड़ता है ना? You'll give sweets to your friends, and then we'll celebrate later. Bye. Love you. Pok mama la. Love you. ओके गाइस, तो अब जैसे आप लोगों को पता है आज खिचनला का बर्थडे है और वो गया हुआ है स्कूल. तो अब हम लोग जाएंगे उसके लिए गिफ्ट लेने. बट उसको थोड़ा सा हम सताने का सोच रहे हैं ना, बिकॉज उसको अच्छा लगता है ये सब. तो ना हम क्या करेंगे, गिफ्ट को ना बहुत सारे दूसरे गिफ्ट डिब्बों में डालेंगे एंड विल टेल हिम टू ओपन इट. वो बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाएगा. आप लोग भी देखेगा. और इधर यहाँ रेडी हो रहा है खिचनला का गिफ्ट. उसका सरप्राइज यहाँ रेडी हो रहा है ना? तो ये इस तरह से हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, बॉक्स के ऊपर बॉक्स, बॉक्स के ऊपर बॉक्स.
इसके अंदर तो थोड़ी नहीं आएगा.
नहीं आएगा
ना. कितना बड़ा है?
इतना ही तो होगा.
आईपैड
इतना ही होगा. अरे तुमने रिवील कर दिया यार. आईपैड.
तो इनके लिए तो क्या, व्यूअर्स के लिए तो क्या?
व्यूअर्स, दिस इज द सरप्राइज फॉर खिचनला, है ना? हम उसके लिए एक आईपैड लेने वाले हैं क्योंकि दोनों भैया लोग के पास है, तो इसलिए उसको भी एक लेने वाले हैं.
आप लोग जा रहे हो क्या लेने?
हाँ, रिलायंस में है. हाँ,
ऑफर
तो यहाँ पे 2000 का ऑफर है और कुछ नहीं है. और यहाँ पे देखे बाई जो उनके आशंगला है खिचनला रेडी कर रहे हैं इधर. अब इसमें एक वो होता है ना, जैसे प्रैंक खेलते हैं ना, हम उसके साथ प्रैंक खेलने वाले हैं.
तो पता चल जाएगा वो बहुत छाना है वो.
लेकिन उसको गिफ्ट क्या है ना, कहीं से भी उसको एक दिन का भी उसको वो नहीं है डाउट. ओके गाइस, तो चलो मिलते हैं आपसे, है ना?
उसको पता है कि ये बहुत.
ओके गाइस, तो हम पहुंच चुके हैं रिलायंस स्मार्ट. तो यहाँ से लेना है हमने ना. चलो फिर चलते हैं अंदर तो वीडियो अलाउड नहीं है. ओके, सो ये है.
पहिलाको त तपाईँको के पनि भएको छैन होला अहिले.
दुइटै राम्रो चल्दैछ मजाले.
होइन फुटेको पनि गर्नुभएको थियो नि त त्यति बेला.
अच्छा, यो ब्लू हो. हुचुङ हेर त, यो सिल्भर हो कलर, यो ब्लू रहेछ. ब्लू लैजाउँ है. ओके, सो ये है आईपैड. ये खिचुनला का बर्थडे गिफ्ट. हाँ पापा, ले लिया खिचुन का. यू थिंक ही विल बी हैप्पी?
भेरी ह्याप्पी.
नहीं चाहिए बोल रहा था मुझे कल. हाँ,
उसको चाहिए.
कल खिचुनला को ऐसे ही पूछा था ना, ऐसे आईपैड वगैरह का बात हुआ था ऐसे. नो मुझे नहीं चाहिए बोल रहा था. अब देखेंगे यहाँ कितना खुश होता है. इधर हो गया. अभी ये न्यू स्कूटी है, पापा ने अपने आप को गिफ्ट दिया था अभी कुछ दिन पहले भी. ए वेयर इज माय गिफ्ट? हाँ, सबको नए नए मिल रहे हैं. बॉट इट फॉर खिचनला. चलो. और ये देखिए दार्जिलिंग का मौसम इस तरह से हो रखा है, फॉगी वेदर. दार्जिलिंग station. Okay, I've reached home, guys. और अब ये देखिए इधर है बॉक्स बॉक्स पे बॉक्स है ना. अब ये सब मैंने ना आई हैव टू क्या बोलते हैं उसको, रैप इट. चलो रैप करते हैं. टाना इधर है. अब इसको मुझे डालना है. इसमें तो नहीं आएगा लग रहा है. इसमें आएगा. So King has arrived.
Where did you get? That time.
Kizula's best friend.
No, not my best friend. My
Brother. Hey, don't do all that. So where's your handshake? Do your handshake. Hey, Kaftir. Where is? Okay, we have reached KFC. So what are we having? Karsa, Kizula, what are you having?
I don't know.
Popcorn. And that legs, right?
I will have chicken french You cannot do smashing first. Okay. Ready? I said we cannot do smashing. Ready? Now I start.
Okay guys, I've ordered already, है ना? And ये लोग खेल रहे इधर. KFC रिजर्व कर लिया इन्होंने. Okay, so let the food come. I'll show you. तो मैंने योंगला और छेला के लिए भी ले रखा है ना? ये लड़के के साथ they don't enjoy also, है ना? तो मैंने सोचा I'll give them घर में ना. So मैं घर में जाके I'll give them. और बस इतना ही है. Let the food come. I'll show you. Okay, तो हम लोग यहाँ आए ना बच्चों के साथ. तो यहाँ पे ना हम छोटा सा एक केक काटेंगे जैसे पेस्ट्री, क्योंकि जो केक है वो घर में काटने का प्लान बना है, क्योंकि फिर यहाँ लेके फिर वापस लेके जाना इट्स क्वाइट वो ना. तो मैंने सोचा जब हम उसका बर्थडे है ना घर में सेलिब्रेट करेंगे तब उसको वो केक भी काटेंगे और गिफ्ट भी दे देंगे उस टाइम. तो इसीलिए ना आई गॉट दिस केक, छोटा सा ब्राउनी केक for him to cut here ना. और क्या है ना इस बार का केक हमने ये ला केक से लिया है, बिकॉज ये ला केक लास्ट टाइम खिजुना को बहुत पसंद आया था. तो उसने उसी टाइम बोल दिया था कि ना मैं केक यहीं से करूँगा अपना बर्थडे का. तो दैट्स वाई ला केक से किया है इस बार का, है ना. सो देखते हैं कैसा होता है केक. आई विल गिव यू द रिव्यू. चलिए अब हम वेट कर रहे हैं खाने का. लेट्स सी कब आता है. Burgers, fries, and the drinks have come. There is a contest going on. In how many bites they'll finish? Shepu, you finish in how many bites?
No one last bite.
So how many bites total? I don't like 3 bites a day.
One burger.
Ah,
Burger 6.
5 bites.
6.
You?
Right now, this is fourth, third, fourth. Yeah, fourth.
This is your 4th bite.
This is my last bite. No, this is my last bite.
Chew properly, okay?
This is my last bite.
And Shepinla finished. King Chingy. King Chingy doesn't like burgers, but his leg piece is coming.
Wait, King.
He loves French fries.
You keep anything. I think you finish in 7.
Chicken leg piece. And King Chingy, Kitla, they all like your.
Mama, but my other friends left.
Which other friend?
Not yet. This is his
Yeah.
6th bite. When is it?
No, we called him, but Papa is a little busy.
He'll not come.
Might come at home. We'll talk.
Okay. 6th bite. That's 3 bites.
So it's going to take total 10 bites. Okay, तो खींचने लगाइए. Wait, okay खींचो. छोटा वाला केक अभी कटेगा, बड़ा वाला घर में कटेगा, ओके? और कल किंग चुंगी को लंच पे लेके जाएगा केक खींचना, ओके? वो देखो. बड़ा केक लाने में
Mama,
प्रॉब्लम
I'm
है.
not take. He doesn't like cake also.
The my Samsung food केक गाउने में तो सुशु.
I like.
But you still take, no? Okay. 수수 다 왜 이시 별로 이시라.
No, sing for me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kizina. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Happy birthday,
Dear Kizo. To you.
Blow your candle.
Make a wish.
King Chungi is Kale.
What wish is that?
Wait, Papa. Mama, what you get?
Oh, Papa.
Pichela.
Okay. मुझे के लिए दिखता. Give to King Chingy. King Chingy, this sticks up, baby. That's it.
That's my two. Machita. Gigante patashi.
Ishila's lemon challenge. Cannot make an expression.
Expressionless. Together.
Fail.
Shepinla.
Sweet at first.
Shibila's turn.
Together.
My go.
Kaya lemon tatung miss na.
Anila.
Anila chicken.
Thank you. Lab Anila la. Thank you.
Oh, is it?
Wait, Bob. Ama, उपठुलो धामु. कस्तो ठुलो भइसकेछ. No? हजुर, second one.
यस्तो हुन्छ.
नदेखेर. We met here. Hello. Hello. Why? Party. Hey. Huh? What surprise? Huh? Ama, kinchungi kin khach kin lening che. Oho. Chalo kinchungi is. I think kinchungi, you are the first one to give him khata today. Mama gave you me khata ta. Kichula. Oh, de khata kyenda. Achi kichula. Kai show me kinchungi. Kawa. Khache chain be. Ama gyoga langan thong mas.
He wants to come right now.
So this is kinchungi's gift. Kawa. Hug, Kawa. Where's the hug? Yung nga rin, Kawa. Ta igi jang gori. Oy, Papa igi jang ulan ke tang. Yeah, give hug and say bye. Thank you for coming. Lap kinchungi. La bye. La. How can you see?
Bro, do you think I'm dumb? Nani? I want to try. Because I've never eaten for a while, no? Mama,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ketula. Happy birthday to you.
May
God bless you.
May
God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Ketula. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Wish.
Okay, she said.
Wish.
Yablo nilang chigori bibi.
Kachini?
Melam thang, melam.
Jigi deta tup.
Melam thang.
Oh, ita light on chisla.
I'm so big. Straight. This is Takachi.
Yay,
Ketula go cake.
Oh, now make a triangle. Dine, baby. No. From here.
Ketula ki mo dila.
Tashi dale. Ketula ke gani mola tashi dale.
Oh.
Sammo ko choice is design, everything is Kitsu's choice.
This looks like a mud cake.
Kitsu bibo. Khalla gore bibi lada. kunju sumla chepa phu la. 아니 아버지는. 계슬랄라야? 베샤라스타.
Didi on the Roblox layer.
위다 다. 디자인 치사.
Roblox layer.
케이크 사. 상보에.
연말 또 같이 보여.
This time Kejunla didn't demand any gift to Mama and Papa. Hey baby.
Kêu, plate mate.
Cuma tangi ba.
Koko, dila. Mama. Macam sepula lah.
Yeah, let's.
Give it to sepula.
अभी ये रहा ना इसका हाँ क्या?
I knew it.
그 동반한 게 뭘로 써? 애들이 뭐냐나 되게.
Di cake sola matang
근데 진짜.
Khal ka din sa cake pa ya machini.
딱 그강 바삭 문 냄새 케이크.
Ani mare.
Machi.
This guy. Oh.
I thought did my friend go birthday like this.
Baby said, "Jingban kyun go, baby? It's not like that."
This is khata, you know. This is for.
Keep it.
And baby, Kejunla didn't demand gift this time, right?
He's very good.
Kejunla is
boy.
very
He's
understanding.
I demanded gift, Mama.
What did you demand?
I demanded, have a
What
gift.
you want in your birthday?
I
What
gave
you wish?
Lasso.
She gave me one gift.
What?
She gave me one moon ball.
One football?
Moon ball. Chinchik.
Moon ball?
Fine. You only asked one moon ball, right?
So Les, I think we should, what do you say?
Reward.
Reward him for not asking.
You get a reward from us now. Because you didn't demand like your brother. Your
Okay.
elder brother is very demanding. no?
Come on, get the gift. Go.
Gift.
Gift. Surprise gift for Kezilla. Keza, you have to guess, okay, what it is.
It's sun ball.
No.
It's a
What?
sun ball. Sun ball. You got the moon ball, no? Now it's a sun ball.
What do you think it is?
No, it's Ashika.
Huh?
Ashika.
Car. Remote control car la.
Remote control car. How many remote control car you have? You have so
Ooh!
many.
Wow! Show!
Oh,
Oh my! It's so big!
I know what it is.
What?
It's a PS5.
Oh wow! Hi, hopes. Hey, give him scissor.
Listen, you already have PS.
Wait, Kitu.
Okay, let's now. Kesa is unboxing his gift. Kesa, are you surprised? Wow!
I wonder what is.
I wonder what is inside. I swear.
You also know you also.
Yeah, but I want you to
But
know.
I don't know what is inside. I'm very
Bibi,
excited.
dig chida scissor gi.
I'm very excited.
Help me, Ishla will help.
For Kitsu's
Okay.
birthday gift. Wow, what is inside? Oh, he's very excited. He's cutting very fast.
Wow!
Wow,
Surprise! Ishila. Dosa re dela.
Guess it is.
quite big, huh?
Cleaner.
It's a big thing inside.
Bed cleaner.
The box is very huge.
God no.
Even Kelvi can fit inside this box.
I think it's a Ashika.
Phone la video se to
But I
pujo.
also think like that.
Londi kurdalas.
It's a big helicopter, I guess.
Eh, bike is kita.
I think it's a helicopter or maybe
Lakbala ki girda khali khali.
JCB or bus or truck.
You have like 10, 20 remote control car. Now this is 21st remote control.
Ishila will help. Oh.
Oh my God, he has Oh my God,
What is this? Oh my God!
What is this? What box?
Oh my God!
Oh, the box has become smaller.
The box is getting smaller.
Box has become
Hey,
smaller.
now kya hoga isme? What do you think it is?
Now I think this
PS5.
is,
Huh?
Just dalda. Oh, it's dalda.
Dalda. You want dalda, no?
Eh, mare ki shebela Ishila.
you can open
Khechila,
from
de.
Khechila, there is a opening. Wow, this is also a very big box.
Yeah.
This is also not bad.
Again one more box. What?
No. Who said?
It's a dalda. Govardhan dalda.
This is the last box.
After dalda.
This is the last box.
Wow, now the gift is really. Oh my God! What is this?
The box is becoming smaller and smaller. Oh.
La.
One more box.
It's your favorite Wi-Fi.
I'll not open one.
I think this is.
You don't like Wi-Fi?
No.
It's your favorite, no Wi-Fi. Now you can have Wi-Fi every day.
Happy
Bye
Wi-Fi.
bye.
Oh my God! One more box. Kizila, don't do all that.
Again one box.
Now guess what?
First you guess. Before I
Before opening, let him guess.
No.
Guess no.
Box.
Another box.
What is it?
oh,
iPad. This again.
again there's one more box.
Again there's one box.
I know this.
Eh, baby, ya kuchi ne open chikure.
Where's the opening scene?
Ay, ito mare, si Isla. Kanda siguro unboxing chi. Ah, no.
Hey, cook one.
Kitchen la.
Yes.
Ooh.
Again, there's a small box here. Look.
The other one side di, pigur. One side di. Both side. Ngala ting da. Agula uncle digi de ting lasta.
He's very excited. He's doing very fast.
One more
Now
box.
do it like when you were doing
Do you
before,
think
na?
there's one more box? Kitchen la. Ene mare ulta se tangbo. Yeah.
It's right!
Hey. Mine. Okay. No, tayo hindi man. Pokchi.
I want to eat. I want to eat.
Cha, hindi man siya. La. Onchi da. Sure.
Oh, I thought you would get the remote control.
Even Ishila and Shevela didn't know. We told them lie, no? झूठ बोला था हमने remote है करके remote control car. Ooh, kitchen last iPad. Hello. Show me once. Eh, thằng uncle cái tiếng là sao cũng xin.
So, uncle.
Đi ngon cho unboxing để là chỉ là đã phá cái chiếu mà lên cả.
Very excited.
Get it there?
Mari.
Are you happy, Ketu?
Very happy.
Kitchen, now you tell me, how happy are you?
I'm like almost to be mad.
Me mad?
I'm almost to be mad.
Why?
Because of this iPad.
Boxes and boxes.
Yeah.
How do you find our surprise? Gasa?
Hey, kusin कैसे खेले कुsin?
I will laugh.
Huh?
Now what you will do with this iPad?
I will play.
तो फाइनली खिचुनला के पास भी आईपैड है क्योंकि शिला और शिल्पीला के पास था है ना खिचुनला को फाइनली आईपैड मिल गया अब ये शिला जो शिला सब
Now what you
मेरा
will do with
फोन
हाँ
मेरा आपा को मिलेगा.
पापा थैंक यू लव
Thank you. I मेरा ही phone है.
खिचुनला को
Mama, I wanted you to buy iPad.
एक्चुअली ना शिला और शिल्पीला ने ना
Both wanted
प्लीज
iPad.
इसको आईपैड ले लो लस्मिंदे प्लीज बाय हिम आईपैड लस It was a surprise for all of
Okay,
them.
when I asked you, you want iPad, you said no. I don't want iPad. Why?
I was just lying with you.
No.
Why?
You were
I was
serious.
lying with you.
No. You were serious.
No, I was lying. I was like, why would I want iPad?
Kitsu, now
I was
we
lying
have
with you
cake
in my
also now.
mind. In my mind, I was lying.
Why you were
Why?
lying?
Because I told that, Mama, what's your password?
Huh? So this is from Ani Donga in Ashangbai, Tashidele.
Again, King Chico. Mama, they copy King. Mama.
Alright, so guys, खत्म हो गया खिजुनला का बर्थडे
मैं
पार्टी
खत्म नहीं हुआ. 12 o'clock नहीं हुआ.
बोल रहे 12 o'clock नहीं हुआ है Anyways, चलिए जो सरप्राइज था बढ़िया हो गया you know he really liked the surprise और
How much to cry?
Dishad, come here and tell.
Express your feelings, no?
Come here.
No, I'm
So you
very
tell
mad
me
with you. I'm
how I-
very mad with you.
Sure,
You
come
gave
here.
me so much boxes.
So many boxes, Laura. So finally, you like the surprise. You like it or you love it?
I don't love it or I like it. I love best it.
How?
Yeah.
Acha.
Hey,
So
when
no.
Papa gave you so many indirects, why didn't you understand?
What?
Papa gave kya?
Guesses lada.
You wanted a cycle.
But I'm still mad.
Why?
Because my mother gave me 100 boxes to open. My hands are hurting.
That was the main prank. But after the prank, you were happy, right?
Yeah.
So you were very happy, no? Today your
Yeah.
birthday was good.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too.
So say bye to my viewers then.
Bye bye.
Okay guys, bye bye, good night, and see you very soon in my next vlog.